We're a family of 4 who just love the outdoors. With our energetic kids, we explore what we can most weekends, from the bush to the surf. We've just upgraded from being ground-dwelling tent campers to a Patriot X1 camper, and we look forward to you coming along for the ride as we explore more of our great outdoors. Hello everyone, welcome back.
Hey, bye.
We're off to another weekend adventure. If you checked out our last video, you'd have seen we had a shakedown trip with our new camper, so we're off again with that. We've just made some minor refinements, more just usability for us. But this time we're up to O'Reilly's for the weekend up there, and we're going to do some treetop walks, maybe some other walks, but certainly just enjoy the scenery that's up there.
Are we going to freeze our brass nuts off?
Yes.
We are, yeah.
Go, Mama, the man is on the ocean. Hee-haw. Go, Mama, the man is on.
Good morning, guys. We were up very bright and early this morning after a very cold night. The forecast was a low of 6, and at daybreak it was 1 with a feels like temp of 0. So we'll need to prepare better tonight so we can keep a bit warmer. But check out these views from the very flash camp kitchen building. The campground is on the side of the mountain, and it's got a mix of walk-in sites, camper trailer sites, and glamping tents, and has views all the way out to Mount Lindsay and Cunningham's Gap to the southwest. The sites are small though. For those that know Patriot campers, they do not need a big footprint, but on this trailer site, it took up every bit of it.
Poppy, love me.
We won't leave you.
Saturday morning, just going for a walk up to the Rainforest Cafe up here at O'Reilly's, just to check out what events are on and what we can do while we're up here. What do you think of this place?
Oh, it's really steep.
It's really steep. It is really steep.
I wouldn't ride my bike down that.
No, you wouldn't ride your bike down that.
I wouldn't ride my bike down this.
Why not?
It's too steep.
Wow, what do you think, Lulu? Tell me.
Dad, look how steep it is.
No, she's not. She's not
There's a big
enjoying
smile.
it.
Cheese.
We're going high up.
So here we are. We're in the, I don't know, probably the 3rd or 4th span here. And it's not for the faint of heart. It does wobble up and down. It does go from side to side. You're doing very well. Doing so well.
You love it? Is it good fun? Can you see the ground? Whoa. Can you tell the camera why you're having a rest?
I'm tired.
Why are you tired?
Tired I am.
What have you been doing?
Because I done right in the bed.
Oh. Did we just do a big bushwalk?
Yes.
Did we walk up in the trees?
See?
Good girl. Is that your gymnastics face, is it? Where's your happy face? Where's your happy face?
Hey Dad, what did that smell? What did that smell? Hey Dad, you know what? Hey Daddy. Dad.
Come on, let's go.
I'm working it.
Let's go.
I'm working it.
Oh, you've broken it. That's okay. Hey, get your own little seat.
100
Never mind, Mum's back.
Look at this big seat.
Come on.
Look at this big seat.
This is a massive seat. Come on, let's go to the treetop walk.
Look at this.
Can we turn this off so we don't waste all the battery?
No.
We'll turn it on when we get to the treetop walk.
They're very pretty. Like a fan. Oh, you don't want that.
That leaves.
Where did you get the leaf from?
From
The forest? From the trees?
trees up there.
And did we walk up there?
Yes.
Where did we walk?
Yes.
Did we do the treetops walk?
Yes.
And was it fun?
Yes.
And was the walkway moving up and down? Were you scared?
Do a high from here.
Yeah, do a triple backflip.
You've done it before.
Go.
A backflip.
No, don't do a backflip.
Are you tricking Dad?
Yeah, I'm tricking.
Come on, quick.
My marks. Get set. Go.
Good job.
Over the front. There's plenty to do up at O'Reilly's. The easiest walks are the boardwalk and the treetops, which we did, but there are quite a few other walks up there too. Oh, and did I mention the views? Wow.
Put that bit at the front.
How does that pack up, Matt?
Pretty good, I think.
Makes it easier when the awning's not out. A bit quicker. Nice that it's a nice clear day for it too. But yeah, pretty good, hey?
That's a wrap. Okay, everybody. We haven't forgotten anything.
That's a wrap. Here we go. We're off.
Just in downtown Canungra before we go to a park. It's awesome to be able to just pull up, make some lunch on the road. Hi family.
For our next adventures, please consider subscribing to our channel and we'll catch you next time.